Multiscale Systems has a smarter way to make better materials. We design complex geometries that are applied to existing materials. The combination of geometry and material is called a mechanical metamaterial, and it can be engineered with a wide array of beneficial characteristics not naturally found in the base material alone. For the set stage of the Geothermal Manufacturing Prize, we're tackling a problem that's limiting geothermal energy's true potential: thermal expansion stresses. Ideally, we'd be drilling wells to at least 5 kilometers, which would make geothermal energy more cost-effective. But the temperature fluctuations at these depths, between 200 and 400 Celsius, are too extreme for traditional drilling technology and can cause thermal expansion that damages casing components. These stresses drive up to 40% of all casing failures, and if serious enough, can force well abandonment. Our solution to the problem of thermal expansion stress is a better casing connector. Using MetaTHERM, our unique metamaterial solution, the connector's enhanced characteristics compensate for casing thermal expansion. The connector can be used with existing casing programs without interfering with the regular installation or operation of the well. Our MetaTHERM connector can only be fabricated through additive manufacturing due to its complex geometry and the required high-performance materials. The transformational advantage of additive manufacturing is that it allows for modern metamaterial engineering to be integrated into new products and solutions, like our connector, unlocking previously unattainable thermomechanical properties. With over 30 years combined experience, countless publications, and our patented technology, we are the experts in mechanical metamaterials. It's what makes Multiscale Systems uniquely positioned to disrupt the advanced materials industry.